In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know the two simplest ways to get a file from your computer into your Drive so you can access it anywhere, back it up safely, and share it when you need to. First, log into Google Drive. Open your web browser, go to drive.google.com, and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Drive home, often called My Drive. This is the main space where your files and folders live. If you have a specific folder already open, great, your upload will go there. If not, staying in the main My Drive area is perfectly fine. Let's start with the right-click method. In the main area of your drive, right-click on an empty space. From the menu that appears, click on File Upload. Your computer's file picker window will pop up. Browse to the file you want to upload, select it, and click Open. That's it, the upload begins immediately. You'll see a small status box appear in the corner of Google Drive showing the progress. Smaller files usually finish quickly. Larger files or slower connections may take a bit longer. When the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation in that status box, and the file will appear in your drive. If you prefer an even faster approach, you can just drag and drop. Open the folder on your computer where the file is stored. Click and hold the file, drag it over to your Google Drive tab in the browser, and then drop it into the main area of Drive. You'll see the same upload progress indicator appear. This method works well for single files and is especially handy when you already have both windows side by side. If a folder in Drive is open, dropping the file there will place it directly in that location. A few helpful notes as your file uploads. Keep the browser tab open until the upload finishes so it can complete without interruption. If you pick the wrong file in the picker window, simply cancel and start again. No harm done. Most common file types upload without any special settings, and you can always preview the file in Drive once it's finished. If the file is large, be patient. The progress indicator will keep you informed, and a check mark will appear when everything is done. And that's all you need. Log into Google Drive, go to your Drive, right-click, and choose File Upload to select your file, or simply drag and drop it into the window. Your file will be safely stored and available whenever you need it.